How to create a voice channel for streaming on Discord. Creating a voice channel dedicated to streaming on Discord helps organize your server and makes it easy for friends or community members to join your streams. First, start by opening your Discord server and looking at the channel list. Click the plus icon next to voice channels to create a new voice channel. Name it something like streaming or live stream. You can also set permissions to restrict who can join or speak in the channel if you want a controlled audience. Once the channel is created, join it yourself. Then open your streaming software or game and click the Go Live button that appears at the bottom left in Discord. This will broadcast your stream directly to everyone in that voice channel. Set the channel topic with streaming details or rules so everyone knows what to expect. You can also create roles that automatically get access to the streaming channel. Do you stream on Discord regularly? Tell me what games or content you share in the comments below. Setting up a dedicated streaming voice channel makes sharing your gameplay or creative work easy and professional. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.